As a professional, how much time do you spend each month trying to keep up with the latest AI tools and figure out which one is right for your business? A recent survey showed that 75% of professionals consider AI to be a game changer for their work, but only 25% are actually using it effectively. The reason is simple. With so many AI tools on the market, it's hard to know which one to choose. But today, we're going to make that decision a lot easier. We're going to compare three of the hottest AI tools of 2026: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you and how to use it to save time in your business. Let's start with ChatGPT, which has taken the world by storm since its release. Built by OpenAI, ChatGPT uses a massive database of text to generate human-like responses to any question or prompt. But as useful as it is, ChatGPT has some limitations. For one,